Hello friends, and welcome back to Everyday Cooking with Mum and me. Today we are going to be making Methi Paneer Bhurji. Paneer Bhurji is a popular, healthy and quick North Indian dish made with Indian cottage cheese, tomatoes, onions and spices. We gave a twist to the classic Paneer Bhurji by adding in some fresh fenugreek leaves or methi to enhance the taste and nutrition. This simple dish is high in protein. It's delicious and easy to cook. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. We will need 3 tablespoons of plain yogurt, 2 to 3 bay leaves, 2.5 tablespoons of ghee, 2 big finely chopped onions, 2 bunches of freshly chopped methi leaves, 400 grams of grated paneer, 1 big chopped tomato, a small piece of chopped ginger, 5 chopped garlic cloves, 1 chopped green chilli, 1 tablespoon of fenugreek leaves, also known as kasturi methi, 1 teaspoon of amchur powder, also known as dry mango powder, 1 teaspoon of hing, also known as asafoetida powder, and not to forget my mum's special spice box. So we're going to take a heated pan and add in our ghee. Then we're going to let it melt. Once your ghee is melted, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, our bay leaves, and we're going to let them pop. Then we're going to add in half a teaspoon of asafoetida powder, our garlic, ginger, then we're going to mix it well and saute it for around 2 minutes. Once your garlic and ginger have been nicely sauteed, we're going to add in our 2 bowls of onion. Then we're going to mix it and saute it till the onion gets translucent. And at this point we're going to add in our salt. We've added in 1 teaspoon. You can add it as per your taste. So we're going to mix it and saute it for a couple of minutes. So this is the twist to our recipe. So we're going to add in our yogurt to the coriander leaves. This is a completely optional step. And then we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of salt. Then we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Then we're going to mix everything well and let it rest until our onions have gone translucent. Remember, we've already added in a bit of salt before, so you can add in a little less or no salt there. So now we're going to add in our tomatoes over here as the onions are nicely translucent. And now we're going to let it saute for a couple of minutes. So our tomatoes are nicely sauteed. Now this is the time we're going to add in our methi and yogurt mixture. This is an optional step, but if you do add it in, it'll taste even more delicious. So now we need to saute it on a medium flame for around 8 to 10 minutes. As you can see, the yogurt is now leaving all the water. So we don't want any water in this mixture, so we're going to keep mixing it until all the water from the sides has evaporated. As you can see, all the water has evaporated. So now we are going to add in the rest of our spices. So our kasturi methi, our chopped green chili, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, amchur powder, half teaspoon of turmeric. Remember, we've added in some masalas in the methi and yogurt mixture too. So now we're going to mix it well and saute it again. Then we're going to add in our grated paneer. You can chop the paneer into cubes and add them in, or you can grate them like we did. Then we just want to gently mix it in. So now it's nicely mixed. We're going to garnish it with some coriander leaves, and then it's time for plating. If you like this recipe, then please don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, share with friends and family, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing videos. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking!